Hello all. In this video, I'm going to show you how to rename your local network adapter name. So sometimes if you have a lot of network cards and different network connection, it would be really nice to name each network cards. So for that, uh, I will show you how to do it. For example, if you do it like this, rename, you will not get the option to change the name. But this is only possible by using a PowerShell. So what you have to do is run PowerShell as administrator now. So once you run the PowerShell as administrator, now you have to type this command, that is rename hyphen net adapter. And now here you have to give the name of the adapter inside double quotes. So I'm gonna change the local area connection to. I'm gonna rename this connection now. You do it this. So this is what I need to change, and you have to put the new name here. So just put the double quotes. I'm going to do this, giving a random connection name. So I give this name. So now you have to just press enter, and now the connection has been executed. Now you go back to the network connection page and refresh. You can see the connection has been already renamed to Ethernet. For example, so if you have multiple connections on multiple networks, so it's very useful to identify the network adapter easily. So you can keep a name for that. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe so that I can create more videos like this. So thank you for watching and have a good day.